Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani, Keshwani. We are here because we want to prepare for SAT. We have been solving SAT math problems out of this book here, the official SAT study guide. If you do not own this book already, purchase one immediately. You're going to need it. The problem that we are about to solve is the one that you will find on page number 732. Please turn to it, page 732, and today is our lesson number 88. The very first problem there, problem number 11, it says, if the sum of the prices, if the sum of a list of prices, is divided by the average of the prices, so we have the sum of the prices, we're going to divide it by the average of the prices. The question simply is, if the result is k, then what does k represent? Well, what do you suppose we'll get if we divide the sum by the average? How do we usually find the average? Usually, average is equal to the sum divided by the number of items. In this case, the number of prices. So on the top we'll have sum of the prices. On the bottom we'll have number of prices. And therefore, if you cross multiply, you will find that here sum divided by the average of the prices will simply be the number of prices. That's all it is. I don't know how else to explain this thing. This is all straightforward. If you were to cross multiply, if you want to multiply both sides by number of prices, I'm not going to explain too much. This is it. We're not going to actually do it out. That's what it is. Average equals sum divided by the number. Average equals the sum divided by the number, and therefore the number of prices will equal sum divided by the average. Sum divided by the average, which is what we have here. Sum divided by the average. That's it. That's number 11. Let's take a look at number 12. Because sometimes if the thing is too simple, and if you keep explaining it, it just gets to be too much. If the area, number 12 now, if the area of the square in the picture above is 81, alright, so we have a square here, and we are told that the area is 81. If the area is 81, each side is 9. We have just been told that it's a 9 by 9 square. And the question is, and the perimeter of each of the 4 triangles is 30. So we have 4 triangles here, and we are told that their perimeter is 30. They are all equal triangle, even though in my picture they do not look like equal, but they are all equal. If you look at the picture that they give you. And the perimeter is 30, each of the triangle. What is the question asking? What is the perimeter of the figure outlined by the solid line? Alright, so the perimeter of each triangle we are told equals, if the perimeter of each of the 4 triangles is 30, the perimeter of each triangle is 30, but the triangle that they're talking about right here, this plus this plus this, that will be the perimeter. But with this part we already know is 9, which means the sum of these two sides, sum of this side and that side, must be 21. This side, let's call it name A, B and C. The perimeter equals AB plus BC plus AC. But AC we already know is 9 because of the fact that we are told that this square has the area of 81. Therefore, A to C must be 9, which means these two sides, typically when you put a mark like that, that means they are all equal. That's not what I mean. I was just pointing to them. Therefore, these two sides, AB and AC, AB plus BC must equal to 21. AB plus BC must equal 21 because of the fact that this guy is 9. A to C is 9. So we have AB plus BC plus 9, and therefore AB plus BC must equal 21. And that's just one triangle. There we have another one just like this here. We have another one here, that's the second one. Here we have another one, third one, and we have another one, which is the fourth one. Therefore, the perimeter of the solid figure is just 21 times 4. 84 is your answer. The answer is D. That's it. I will see you tomorrow, okay? Bye now.